Hi, I'm Eduardo Lina. Welcome to this video. Pre-reading and pre-listening activities are very important in order to engage pupils and help them become independent learners. It is necessary to use different digital activities. Moodle is excellent for that. Adding a sound file is one way of helping pupils acquire vocabulary, but it's not the only one that you have available on Moodle. You can help pupils use the accessibility launch bar to have the text read to them, text-to-speech. Having a glossary that contains images or even a video can also help pupils acquire vocabulary, such as in this example. You can have glossaries where you can have pupils listen to the words too. Gamification is important to help pupils practice what they learn. Here is just one example of a game that you can use on Moodle, and of course there are many more. Ministry of Education Moodle worksheets provide a wide variety of question types that will enable pupils to acquire vocabulary, and recognition plays a central part in that. We can further expose pupils to vocabulary by using, for example, Moodle lesson, another Moodle activity. And on this lesson, we can introduce them to the vocabulary by means of videos, images, texts, and have them practice. Remember that they can always listen to the vocabulary if you have not provided them with a sound file. A Moodle lesson offers also the possibility of having pupils interact with the content by means of different question types, for example, multiple type questions. But then again, I will refer you to a Moodle worksheet where you can use different activities, such as this one and this one. You can have words in Hebrew or English or Arabic if you need to, and always concentrate on the text at hand. A teacher can try different activities and find out which ones suit his or her pupils. So you can combine listening comprehension and drag and drop, for example, and many more. H5P activities also provide possibilities for helping students become independent learners. While we are familiar with the use of video on H5P in a way similar to Edpuzzle, here are a few more possibilities. In short, it is possible to have pupils learn and practice vocabulary and then have them produce themselves. This is not an aim of the Moodle environment that you see now, but it can also be done in a way that is not different from that which you are probably familiar with from the Code on Moodle environment. Have pupils produce in writing or speaking. We can use, for example, Moodle assignment, Moodle database, Moodle forum. The possibilities are many. You just need to decide what Moodle tool you're going to use and then provide your students with the input. You can add text, or perhaps you will prefer to add your own recording or upload a recording, and that recording can be either a video or a sound file or an image. It depends on what you want to get your pupils to react. That is to say, to produce in a way that is similar. They will have to click on the microphone icon and record themselves, or just write either online or uploading a file. Thanks for your time and goodbye.